You're listening to DJ Wins.
Why the man always talking? I come with a thingy and make them zip it. Rap up, boy, don't make me feel it. 3 whole pies and 9 sandwich bags, spend an hour zipping. Cowboy spinning a ding, I see no one spend an hour with it. Think we need extra time, read the whole magazine. Think we need extra buying. Lucas 5, I press the 9, holding the action extra tight. Dinner date with the plugs, Richard Mills and Skellies. Parmesan Wagyu spaghetti, we only talking ready.
Alive, but you should have been dead. Big bro got a 9, but it should have been less. I can tell you about risking it all. If this card gets spun, then I'm looking at 10. Double R, oral sex, that's culling in head. Rapping, still trying to put it to bed. No leg shot, still gotta push it in chest. Arching her back, gotta drink it the best. Not in her face, now she looking a mess. All of my pagans looking depressed. If rap don't work, then I'm looking a wreck. Got my guy in the can, now he looking to tech. Future's bright, still looking to step. Telling her friends I've been hitting a rut, that's crazy. I want her to hold this DI, looking for sex. Tell the guys, chip in what you can, me and broski will put in the rest. I learned how to whip, no theory or practical night, looking to test. Don't know if she's buzzing or trying to impress. K-Man, don't know why she got on a dress. Known for pulling up outside a pagan's house whenever we got an address. You see, get his lungs all punctured, literally watched him run out of breath. HMP need a hand in, couple of trackies, couple of cracks. If she finds it hard to keep it shush, then that's one thing I want trouble again. Feds at my door, I'm in trouble again. Up block tryna burst this bubble again. ZK over the flickers, but I've seen man get done worse with a flick ting. Left man red, then blue on the crypting, and I still ain't put it in crypto. Met so many acts in jail, martial law, but bro I'm a Christian. Our OPP got splashed in his head, we basically went to a pagan's christening. Don't televise when I go on a glide, don't bring my phone on a ride, cause I mean it. Blood on my knife whenever I see them. 2 days and I bet you I beat it. Wrist on froze, fingers, mouth, it's a hot summer's day, but you know that I'm freezing. I know I ain't got amnesia, I ain't forgotten what happened on G-Ring. I don't wanna hear intense supply, GBHAMOP. We step in the dance and go to the restroom. Just know we ain't tryna go wee-wee. Take care of the thing, if it jams it might need grease. Santorini, if I step on your block and spray that, let's be real, I ain't doing graffiti. I don't wanna hear intense supply, GBHAMOP. We step in the dance and go to the restroom. Just know we ain't tryna go wee-wee. Take care of the thing, if it jams it might need grease. Santorini, if I step on your block and spray that, let's be real, I ain't doing graffiti.
You're listening to DJ Mint.
Why the man always talking? I come with a thingy and make them zip it. Wrap up boy, don't make me feel it. 3 whole pies and 9 sandwich bags, spend an hour zipping. Cowboy spinning a ding, I see no one spend an hour with it. Think we need extra time, for the whole magazine. Think we need extra buying. Lucas fly, I press the 9, holding the action extra tight. Dinner date with the plugs, Richard Mills and Skellies. Parmesan Wagyu spaghetti, we only talking ready.
Alive, but you should've been dead. Big bro got a 9, but it should've been less. I can tell you about risking it all. If this card gets spun, then I'm looking at 10. Double R, oral sex, that's culling in head. Rapping, still trying to put it to bed. No leg shot, still gotta push it in chest. Arching her back, gotta drink it the best. Not in her face, now she looking a mess. All of my pagans looking depressed. If rap don't work, then I'm looking a wreck. Got my guy in the can, now he looking to tech. Future's bright, still looking to step. Telling her friends I've been hitting a rock, that's crazy. I want her to hold this DI, looking for sex. Tell the guys, chip in what you can, me and bro still put in the rest. I learned how to whip, no theory or practical night, looking to test. Don't know if she's buzzing or trying to impress. Came man, don't know why she got on a dress. Known for pulling up outside a pagan's house whenever we got an address. You see, get his lungs all punctured, literally watched him run out of breath. HMP need a hand in, couple of trekkies, couple of cracks. If she finds it hard to keep it shush, then that's one thing I won't trouble again. Feds at my door, I'm in trouble again. Up block tryna burst this bubble again. ZK over the flickers, but I've seen man get done worse with a flick ting. Left man red, then blue on the crypt thing, and I still ain't put it in crypto. Met so many acts in jail, mashallah, but bro I'm a Christian. Our OPP got splashed in his head, we basically went to a pagan's christening. Don't televise when I go on a glide, don't bring my phone on a ride cause I mean it. Blood on my knife whenever I see them. 2 days and I bet you I beat it. Wrist on froze, fingers, mouth, it's a hot summer's day, but you know that I'm freezing. I know I ain't got amnesia, I ain't forgotten what happened on G-Wing. I don't wanna hear intense supply, GBHAMOP. We step in a dance and go to the restroom. Just know we ain't tryna go wee-wee. Take care of the thing, if it jams it might need grease. Santorini, if I step on your block and spray that, let's be real, I ain't doing graffiti. I don't wanna hear intense supply, GBHAMOP. We step in a dance and go to the restroom. Just know we ain't tryna go wee-wee. Take care of the thing, if it jams it might need grease. Santorini, if I step on your block and spray that, let's be real, I ain't doing graffiti.